In this video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your keyboard settings on Windows 11. So I'm going to show you two different methods depending on what issue you have. You'll be able to get it resolved and fixed at the end of this video. The first thing you can do is go to search and then type in Device Manager. Once you've opened up Device Manager, go ahead and look for keyboards. So you should be able to find it. Here is mine. You can click on the drop down menu on keyboards, then find your keyboard device, right click, and then go ahead and uninstall your device. Then click uninstall, and if you've done it right, your keyboard will stop working. If you have more than one, you can go ahead and uninstall all of these. Then go to Action, go Scan for hardware changes, and it will then make the keyboard appear again, and that may fix your issue and completely reset the keyboard. If you're having any issues with languages where the @ symbol maybe isn't in the correct place, you can go ahead and fix that too. So the second way to fix it, if you go to Start and then Settings, you can then go to Time and Language, and then if you go to Language and Region, here you'll see the current language that you're using. If you click on the three dots next to it, you can go to Language Options, and here is your keyboard. So if your @ is in the wrong place or a specific button is, it could be because of the country. So you can go ahead and add another country's keyboards. For me, that might be the UK one. So I could click on this, I could click the three dots and remove the US one. Then I could go ahead and add the US one back again, and it will essentially just reset it. And then you can just go ahead and remove the UK one or the other one. And then you've essentially just kind of reset the keyboard. But those are the two ways that you can do it. Let me know which one helped in the comments below.